In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Apple Pay not working. And if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel with the notifications turned on and liking the video, as it does mean a lot to the channel. So now, how do you fix Apple Pay not working? So if Apple Pay is not working for you, there's a few things you could go ahead and do to fix this. First of all, you want to make sure that double click side button is turned on. This is how you use Apple Pay. If it's not working like that way, you could just make sure that it's turned on in Wallet and Apple Pay. Then once that's turned on, it should work. If it's still not working or you're having another issue, what you could do is remove your card and add it back, or add a new card and Apple Pay should work. Those are two ways where you could fix Apple Pay not working. Hopefully one of those methods did go ahead and work and fix it for you. If you did find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the videos. It does mean a lot to the channel, and that is about it.